दोस्तों उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप खैर से होंगे। जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे नहीं हैं मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। आज हम राष्ट्रग्राफी की रीडिंग करते हैं। चलते हैं हम अपनी रीडिंग की तरफ। इन कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स एंड डिजिटल फोटोग्राफी राष्ट्रग्राफी रिप्रेजेंट टू a two-dimensional picture as a rectangular matrix of grid or pixel viewable via an computer display paper or other display medium. A raster is technically characterized by the width and height of the image in pixel and by the number of bits per pixel. Raster images are stored in image file with varying dimension, production, generation, and exhibition format. The printing and prepress industries now rastrographic contains in constructs line art is usually implemented as vector graphic in digital system. अब हम चलते हैं राष्ट्रग्राफी वीडियोग्राफिक आर अ फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक इन विच visual image are created directly from a geometric shape defined on a characteristic plane such as point, line segments, and polygon. A polygon. The associated machines may include vector display or printed hardware, vector data models, and file format, as well as the software based on those data model. Graphic design software, computer aided design, and geographic information system. Vector graphics are an alternative to raster or bitmap graphic, with each having advantage and disadvantage in specific situation. While vector hardware has learning disadvantage in form of raster based monitor continue to be widely used, especially when a high degree of geometric precision is required and when complex information can be decomposed into simple geometric primitive. Thus, it is the preferred model for domains such as engineering, horticulture, serving 3D rendering, and typographic, but in turning for applications such as photography and remote sensing where raster is more effective. Some application domains such as geographic information system GIS and graphics design use both vector and raster graphic at times depending on purpose. Vector graphics are based on the mathematics of analytic of coordinate geometry and is not related on other mathematical use of the term vector. This can lead to some confusion in discipline in which both meaning are used. अब चलते हैं वेक्टर इन मैथमेटिक्स फिजिक्स एंड इंजीनियरिंग including vector or simply a vector, sometimes called a geometric vector or spiral vector, is a geometric object that has magnitude or length and direction, including vector, and can be added and scaled to form a vector space. Including vector is a frequency represented by a direct line segment or graphically as an arrow connected an initial point A with the terminal point B and denoted by AB. दोस्तों आज के लिए इतनी रीडिंग काफ़ी, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरी रीडिंग मज़ीद समझ आई होगी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अल्लाह